Hi, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to G8 Computers. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we have an HP 250 G8 11th generation laptop, and during the Windows installation, we faced two different issues. I'll show you exactly what the problems were and how we solved them, step by step. So, let's get started. Important disclaimer. Before we begin, please note that changing BIOS or secure boot settings can affect your system's boot configuration. Always make sure your important data is backed up before making any changes. The steps shown in this video are for troubleshooting and educational purposes. Please proceed carefully and at your own risk. Problem 1. Secure boot policy. Error. The first problem appeared when we tried to install Windows on this HP 250 G8 laptop. We booted the laptop from a Windows installation USB. But instead of starting the Windows setup, we received a secure boot policy error. This prevented us from proceeding with the Windows installation. To resolve this issue, we enter the laptop's BIOS settings and check the boot and secure boot configuration. After making the necessary changes, we saved the settings and restarted the laptop. We then booted from the Windows installation USB again, and this time, the Windows setup started normally. So, the first issue was successfully resolved by correcting the secure boot and boot configuration. Problem 2. SSD not detected after fixing the secure boot issue. We continued with the Windows installation. But then we encountered another problem. When we reached the Windows partition selection screen, there were no drives or partitions showing up. The internal SSD was not being detected by Windows Setup, so there was no drive available to select for the installation. To solve this problem, I downloaded the Intel Rapid Storage Technology, or Intel RST driver, from the official HP support website for this particular laptop. I then copied the driver package to the same Windows installation USB and extracted it into a separate folder. During Windows setup, when we reached the drive selection screen, I clicked on Load Driver and browsed to the extracted driver folder. Inside the driver package, I located the VMD folder and loaded the appropriate driver. And as soon as the VMD driver was loaded, all the available drives and partitions appeared on the screen. Now, we could select the correct drive and continue with the Windows installation. The installation process continued normally, and after completing the setup, Windows was successfully installed on the laptop. I've also provided the link to the official HP Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver in the video description, so you can easily download the correct driver for this laptop. Final result. So, both problems on this HP 250 G8 11th generation laptop were successfully resolved. First, we fixed the secure boot policy error. And secondly, we solved the missing SSD issue during Windows setup by loading the correct Intel RST VMD driver. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by liking and sharing this video. And don't forget to subscribe to G8 Computers for more laptop repair, computer troubleshooting, and useful technical solutions. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love, moving